Aha, there. Today it's a good day there. Sunny day. It's very fantastic. The atmosphere is very, very terrific there. So I'm going to do something very interesting there. Today, just talking about mulch there. What mulch is? It's camera, which is mulch, you know. They smell, obviously these are very important. Here, this is smell pine straw. Even these pines, straw, brushwood chips, mushroom compose, and chopped leaves. There's chopped leaves there. It's called chopped leaves. All these are mulch there. Mulch is important, especially for the nutrients and water. Return the water nutrient to the soil. Encourage the variable microbial activities. Also the warm is because if warm is, so this increase the soil activities. Also retain moisture, prevent soil erosion, control weeds, and adds nutrient to the soil. These mulch I mentioned, each from pine straw, brushwood chips, mushroom, chopped leaves. That should be mulching twice a year, and they have almost to be 3 inches. Mulch is going to be recommended per BTS. Look at the soil activities. I mentioned that they increase the microbial activities. Almost the soil is like to be very brown, so it's mean here the mineralization is going on. The partially kept on animals got humus, and those activities by giant bacteria. Giant bacteria have extensive system up inside, so the composition, called mineralization, is awesome here. And these are some tree I mentioned, the check pine, small trees. Suppose they're below the 20 year, they're a refugee for the small birds like jack pine, which is called jack harper. Jack pine birds, because jack pine birds, the Canadian wildlife work on these. Canadian Wildlife Federation work on that particular bird, and almost according to SARC, species there is Canada and Ontario. We need to work on these to because almost they're going to be threatened. So they work even to conserve that particular bird is, because here in Canada they care what life is, and especially the wildlife is. So this is very important. Look at the small thing here, and almost this look to be very awesome here. This the camera is here, and this is the front yard there. The front yard you see the little trees here. Even you can do that thing is, even each and every home, this the camera is, each and every home it should be a tree. So tree have a role here, and the public know what tree is and how tree is important. So that's why very important. Even everybody have to cut these grasses awesomely, and they have the care is because they are going to be the integral parts for the life is. So look at that trees, look very awesome here. Almost spring, and what about spring is because the air is harsh and condition and calendar. So now it's look to be spring there, and here spring, the Q supply of water is also going to be available. When there's rain, that rain goes, and the capillary water especially, they're going to be acute in the spring. So those physiological activities, in plant there, and the peak here, it's like to be very, very interesting there. So like this thing is quite awesomely there. And today I mentioned the mulch. We have mentioned how much they are going to be recommended. The print, these are home there. Each and every home there should be a tree, so that's why it's very important there. So we must do these things, and so that's why. Thanks for your attention.